Welcome to Crimson Guitars, welcome to my home studio, and welcome to a quick tip. Now, when you are using a multi-tool, a Dremel, a Proxon, a generic tool, one thing that you always need to do is be wearing a dust mask. This stuff is not healthy, okay? The problem is, it becomes somewhat ineffectual when you're wearing a dust mask and you want to blow the dust out of the cavity that you are routing into your guitar neck or, I don't know, PCB board or whatever. There is, however, an incredibly simple yet life-changing trick that I'm going to share with you now. Little piece of masking tape. I could have done that better. Et voila. This does not impact on your view. Obviously, it's going around really fast. Where's the power? You can still see everything that's going on in your inlay. What you don't have, though, is dust. You have a propeller. Like so. No mess, no fuss. I hope that changed your life. If you haven't, I suppose, seen it in one of my build videos on the main channel. Anyway, if you have any tips or tricks that you think I don't know yet, let me know in the comments below. I will. I love learning. I absolutely crave new information. And if it means I'm wrong, it means I'm wrong. So yeah, please let me know. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Click like, subscribe, and we'll be back.